Hello, viewers. This is the Veg Farms once again. As always, thank you for watching our videos. Also, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so each time we upload any video, you'll be able to receive it. Well, the Veg Farms is always, into clean and healthy pigs. Cleanliness is our number one key at the farm. As you can see, watching these videos, how the winners, how the growers and winners are doing extremely well. They are healthy looking. So don't, if you need any winners, being a sow, being a boar, being a gelded, we have all kinds of breed. We have crossbreed, we have large whites, we have Duroc, we have Duroc large white crossbreed, we have Duroc landrace crossbreed. We have all these kinds of breeds. So if you need any kind of breed to stack up your farm, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Okay? Don't hesitate to give us a call at 0244 867474. Again, it's 0244 867474. The farm is located in Ghana at Agona Anomabo, that's close to Swedro area, Konyakon Road. So please, as always, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, so each time we upload any video, you'll be able to receive it. And also, as always, pig farming is capital intensive. So as we all know, it's capital intensive. From the date of farrow to about 4 months, we have to make sure we are taking very good care of this animal. Okay, we win our piglets. We win them at 6 weeks. After 6 weeks, they stay on crib feed. We give them crib feed for the next 2 months. And then so now that's where all the challenges is. You have to spend money, try to spend money from the time of weaning to about 4 months. So they will grow healthy, they will gain all the necessary weight. And then from 4 to 6 months, it's just an add-on, okay? Just a little bit add-on, and that's it. You're ready for the market within 6 to 7 months. So please, don't hesitate to always give us a call at 0244 867474. We'll be able any need, we'll be able to help you and assist you. Okay? Even if anything in piggery, give us a call. All right. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget, as always, subscribe to our channel. Also, the returning viewers, we appreciate you so much. All right? Continue enjoying your video. All right. See you next time.
Peace.